Good morning, this Wednesday, the 10th of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, to start off, let's look at what happened yesterday. The ASX 200 lost 0.2% yesterday. The financials were all down. CBA, ANZ and Westpac declined, as did NAB after releasing positive full-year results. NAB reported profits rebounded, increasing 77% and declared a 67-cent final dividend, which is more than double what they paid this time last year. Looking at the stocks leaderboard, what stands out here is Chalice Mining, CHN, which jumped an impressive 28.5%. CHN reached $8.95 yesterday before closing at $8.70, bringing its market cap to more than $3 billion. This was after they uncovered the world's largest nickel sulphide discovery in the last 20 years. Ingham's group, ING, was the worst performer, falling 4.5% and currently a bell potter and Citi buy. European and US markets closed lower, taking in US producer inflation data. The US producer price index for October increased 0.6%, which was as expected. And investors are waiting on CPI data set to be released tonight, forecast to show the highest rate of consumer price increases since 1990. And the yield on the US 10-year note fell to 1.4% in New York. The S&P 500 fell for the first time in 9 sessions, down 0.4%, with 5 of the 11 industry sectors lower. The Dow Jones down 0.3% and the Nasdaq down 0.6%. Now, looking at the day ahead, despite US equities falling from their records, the SPY futures are suggesting the ASX 200 will open 0.27% higher. Now, medical equipment company ResMed, RMD, is set to go ex-dividend today, and a few AGMs will be held today, including Amcor, AMC, Coles, COL, Sims, SGM, Vicinity Centres, VCX, Mount Gibson Iron, MGX, and Newcrest Mining, NCM. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday were Northern Star Resources, NST, and the Crypto Innovators ETF, CRYP, which has surpassed $100 million in trading volume in the first 3 days floating on the exchange. And keep an eye on those travel stocks, as yesterday New South Wales reached 90% fully vaccinated of those 16 years and over. Moving to commodities, the oil price is trading more than 3% higher, above $84 a barrel. Gold is reaching new 2-month highs amid rising inflation expectations. The price of coal is also lower, and the seaborne iron ore price is currently trading just under $92 a tonne. Now, looking at some trading ideas, Bell Potter have maintained their buy rating on NAB Bank and have increased their price target to $32 after the bank reported impressive full-year results, which were mostly in line with expectations. Yesterday, NAB closed at $28.89, implying 10.8% share price growth in a year. Additionally, bullish charting signals have been identified in Boss Energy, BOE, Lotus Resources, LOT, and De Grey Mining, DEG, according to Trading Central. Now, thanks for joining us this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day.